Hola, clase. ¿Cómo están? Excelente. And welcome back to Learning with Senor Cowcow. Today, I'm going to keep it short and sweet. So, let's get to it. All right, clase, por favor, saquen papel y practiquen. Here is today's warm-up. All right, so on today's warm-up, we're using our new 30 verbs from the list, okay? 41 to 70. All right, go ahead, translate these. Saquen papel y practiquen. Pause the video now. All right, first one. She watches Gossip Girl. Ella, if you want to. Mira Gossip Girl. They play soccer. Ellos juegan al fútbol. So notice two things. Stem changer on juegan. It's not jugan. And then fútbol has an accent mark. These are important in Spanish. We ski in Colorado. Esquiamos en Colorado. Señor Coward teaches every day. Señor Coward enseña todos los días. I enjoy swimming. All right, there are a few ways to say this. What I'm going for from your list is this. Gozo de nadar. It's like saying I get enjoyment out of swimming. Or more simply, you could say me gusta nadar. Nothing wrong with that. Either way, you're saying that you like it. Me gusta mucho nadar. Me encanta nadar. And the last one, Joaquin turns on the light. Joaquin enciende la luz. Joaquin enciende la luz. Okay, now let me go back to me for a second. Voila. Announcement. Your next test, and you definitely want more than one test grade, is going to be on Tuesday of next week. It will cover, and this goes for Spanish 2 and 3, it will cover these next 30 verbs, the ones that we're working with. Your last test had 40. And it will also cover verbs like gustar, okay? The ones that we just finished doing, the me interesa, me aburre, nos disgusta, le fascina. All right, so it's going to be that and the 30 verbs on Tuesday. All right, I figure that's fair. That's going to give you a lot of time to study from here until then. It's only Thursday as I'm saying this. So anticipate that. That will be next week, next Tuesday. All right, now back to the screen. Okay, so next, let's go over your 30 verbs one more time. All right, now see if you can say them before I do. I'll give a little bit of time. To turn on. Encender. To find. Encontrar. To teach or to show. Enseñar. To understand. Entender. To wrap. Envolver. Like if you want to say, I wrap the present. Yo envuelvo el regalo. Okay, so the ones that you don't know, take more time with those, because y'all know already that I might put anything on the test. To choose, select, pick. Escoger. To write. Escribir. To listen. Escuchar. This also does include the word to, like to listen to. Yo escucho música. If you listen to a person, yo escucho a Señor Coward. That's the personal a. To ski. Esquiar. To be. In this case, it is estar. So is ser, depending on the situation. To study. Estudiar. To enjoy. Gozar de. To enjoy doing something. Gozar de plus infinitive. Gozo de comer en Waffle House. To talk or speak. Hablar. To do or make. Hacer. To do exercise. Hacer ejercicio. There is, there are. What's that little word? Hay. To invite. Also to offer to pay. Invitar. To go. This one's you've known since Spanish 1. To go is ir, which turns into yo voy. Tú vas. To go to. Ir a. Voy a mi casa. Vamos a la escuela. To play, in regards to a sport or game. Jugar. Remember, it's yo juego, not jugo. To wash. Lavar. To read. Leer. To clean. Limpiar. So to clean the wash are not exactly the same thing, right? You can clean the living room without washing it. To call. Llamar. To arrive. Llegar. To wear or to carry. Llevar. And this means both. You can say él lleva una camisa roja or él lleva una maleta. Because really, you're carrying the clothes on yourself. That's kind of why those two are the same thing. Because to wear something and to carry it, like I said, you're really carrying the clothes with you. You're just wearing them. To watch or to look at. Mirar. To ride. Montar. And the last one, to swim. Nadar. Okay. Now at this point of the class, in class, what I'm going to do is I'm going to call on people with questions. So with these verbs, for example, so I could call on you and ask you something like, just so we can kind of get the same experience here together. Yeah, let's do it, make it an easy one to start with. ¿Qué estudias? ¿Estudias literatura, arte, historia? ¿Qué estudias? ¿Dónde estudias? ¿Estudias en Starbucks, en tu casa, en la escuela? ¿Dónde estudias? Okay, another one. ¿Quién enseña matemáticas? ¿Quién enseña matemáticas? Let's see, let's do another one here. Let's do a verb we haven't been doing. ¿Esquían tus amigos en las montañas? ¿Esquían tus amigos en las montañas? Next. ¿Hay un perro en tu casa? ¿Hay otros animales? ¿Hay gatos en tu casa? ¿Hay peces en tu casa? ¿Qué juegas? ¿Juegas al fútbol? ¿Juegas al tenis? ¿Qué juegas? ¿Cuándo llegas a la escuela? ¿A qué hora llegas a la escuela? ¿A las 8? ¿A las 7:30? No sé. ¿Nadas? Cuando hace calor, ¿nadas? Yo sí, yo nado mucho. Yo nado con mi mamá, yo nado con mi esposa. Es importante porque puedo hacer ejercicio cuando nado. All right, so that's what that'll be like. Okay. Now the last thing we're going to do today is this. I will show you the worksheet that I'm giving you. And this is something that I don't need you to turn in. We'll go over it together. Okay? So let me go back to full screen here. And let me show you the sheet. It looks like this. So first part, it says, write a sentence stating what the people in the pictures are doing. So number one, we have Carlos and this guy. So Carlos skis. Number two, the friends do exercise, etc. Then you have translate, and then you have answer the question. ¿Qué cereal escoges en Publix? It says answer the questions in a Spanish sentence. So you would say, I choose blah, blah, blah. Okay? And I can tell you one little thing just to get this out of the way. With escoger, to say I choose, it is yo escojo with a J-O. You have to change the spelling. Yo escojo Cocoa Pebbles. Okay, so you answer the question. And then finally at the bottom, using only these 30 verbs, write a sentence about what two people in your life really do. My uncle skis. My brother talks too much. And again, as always, whenever I give you a sentence writing, if you're in Spanish 2, make it a Spanish 2 level sentence. Add some details. If you're in Spanish 3, make it a Spanish 3 sentence. Add more details. Okay? Y'all know what to do. All right, so that is that. So, just a little bit of a shorter video today, and I will talk to you later. Adios.